color. The color is so cute. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be showing you a new bag that I got. I'm gonna be somewhat unboxing it. I already took it out of the box, but I didn't take it out of the bag yet, so I can show you guys. So this is the Marc Jacobs leather bucket bag, and they have a bag called the tote bag, which is really popular. And so I got that one in small in the black color, and I did another video where I unboxed that bag. Well, I didn't unbox it, but I just showed what's in my bag, and I absolutely love that bag so much. It's one of my favorites. You can fit so much stuff in it, and it's just so cute with the words across the front. So I saw this other option. They have a lot of different styles, different shapes, but they have, you know, the words across it. So this one does say the bucket bag on it, and they have this in multiple colors. I got it in the purple color, which is Daybreak, because purple is my favorite color. So that was one of the reasons that I felt like, oh my god, I have to have this bag, because I loved the shape of it for like a summer bag. I love the color. It's like a lavender type color, and because I love the tote bag, I figure that, you know, the quality is going to be there as far as the Marc Jacobs bags, because that is the first Marc Jacobs bag that I have gotten, and I was really impressed with, you know, it's in great shape and not a lot of wear and tear. So it just seems like a nice quality bag. So let's go ahead and see this bag, and we're gonna open it up and look at the color. The color is so nice. It's like this nice purple lavender type color. So it has this nice rope that you can tighten the bag with. You see the words across the front. And we're going to take everything out of it so we can just see the size. It has quite a bit of stuffed paper in it. And it does come with a dust bag, and I really love this dust bag that they send with the bags because it's really cute. It has the Marc Jacobs logo all across it, so it's really nice. It doesn't come with a box when you buy these bags, but I do like the option that they have the dust bag with it. Alright, so here is the bag. Let's go ahead and take this off so I can show you guys the handle, which was definitely something that I loved about the bag when I was looking at getting it. And so you see it has this nice rope. Hope you guys can see it. So it has this like nice roping handle, so you can carry it as a handle bag. And then they also do have a shoulder strap. I'm never really a shoulder strap person too much, but you know, I do like to have the option in case I'm like on a trip, or you know, going somewhere for a long day where I don't want to hold the bag. And then you have like the crossbody option, or you know, just right on your shoulder. So you see it just has the same purple leather material for the shoulder strap, and it has like the pebble leather finish on it, which is really cool. And then you can tighten it up, and the inside is very, very spacious, so you can fit a lot of things in here. So yeah, I love this bag. I'm excited to carry it. I don't know, I'm just gonna be honest, just getting this in person, I don't know if I'm getting the same feels as the tote bag. Like, I just really love that bag a lot. This is really nice, but I do think that I like the tote bag better. but of course this is going to be more of like a seasonal bag or with certain outfits. But like I said, purple is my favorite color, and I used to, even though it's always been my favorite color, I've never like worn a lot of purple, but lately I'm like always wearing purple and buying purple accessories and things like that. So I think that I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of this bag just because of the fact that, you know, I have been wearing light colors and purple. So I think it'll be worth it. And you know, I have some trips coming up, so I can wear this. You know, it's in some warmer climate areas in a few months, so I think that that'll, you know, allow me to wear this bag even like in the fall and when it starts getting cooler. So I also want to show you guys the back. It says Marc Jacobs style, the bucket, location New York City, year 1984. So there you have it, guys. The bucket bag by Marc Jacobs. So very pretty, very spacious, very durable. So I'm happy with the bag. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like this bag? Do you like this style of the bucket? And if you guys have this bag, let me know how you've been styling it. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.